Paxton's Silly Train, written by Duck Show Studios. Paxton, the diesel engine, was on his way to Vickerstown Station from the diesel works. When he arrived at the station, there were lots of engines. He rolled in.
Hello, Thomas. Hello, Edward. I have a special from Sir Topham Hatt.
Yes, I've heard, said Edward. Good for you. I heard a rumour, said Thomas, that it could have something to do with the Steamworks. You shouldn't listen to your rumours, Thomas, said Clarabelle. They might not be true. Well, maybe they are.
Well, I guess we're going to find out when Sir Topham Hatt arrives,
said Paxton. And Sir Topham Hatt arrived. Oh, hello, Paxton. You have a very special.
Oh, sir, what is it? Does it have to do with the Steamworks?
Oh, yes, it does, Paxton. The rumour was true, said Thomas. You have to take Peter Sam, who recently was in an accident, to the Blue Mountain Quarry on a freight car.
But, sir, how will we get off the freight car?
said Paxton. That's an easy guess. Rocky or the breakdown train will go, and they'll load him on and off. Thomas is right, said Sir Topham Hatt.
Right, sir, this is a very silly job.
And an important one, so be careful, Paxton.
Right, sir, a silly but important job.
Paxton rolled to the Steamworks. He didn't even have to go inside. Rocky was already there. Loading Peter Sam onto a low loader. All right, Peter Sam, there you go.
Oh, thank you, Rocky,
said Peter Sam.
Hello, I'm Paxton, and I'm here to pull the silly train to the Blue Mountain Quarry. A crane, an engine, and don't forget, a brake van.
Paxton thought the job was very silly, because for how many times do you have to pull an engine, a crane in the same day? Oh, what a day it was for Paxton. He rolled along.
Oh, Peter Sam, I see you at the Blue Mountain Quarry sometimes,
said Paxton.
Yes, you do, Peter Sam. Paxton,
said Peter Sam. I see you both sometimes, said Rocky.
This is one of the coolest jobs I've ever had.
What's so cool about it, Paxton? Said Rocky.
Well, I've never had to pull an engine on a flatbed and a crane, all in the same train,
said Paxton.
You're right, it is quite special,
said Peter Sam. Not really, said Rocky. I get pulled. If I had a hook for every time I've been pulled with an engine on a flatbed by another engine, I'd have more hooks than people have fingers, said Rocky.
Oh, so it isn't such a silly job,
said Paxton. No, not for me, said Rocky. I do this all the time.
Oh, well, I can make it a silly job. Look at that over there. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a falcon,
said Paxton.
Oh, Paxton, I think that's a Sodor warbler,
said Peter Sam.
It's a Sodor warbler. What a silly bird.
Paxton heard a sound.
That's a silly sound.
And then he arrived at the Blue Mountain Quarry, and he had to position Rocky to unload Peter Sam. Sir Handel arrived.
Ah, Peter Sam, you're back. Yes, I am, Sir Handel. Back and ready to work. Thanks to me.
Ahem, said Rocky.
And Rocky, the most useful crane.
Paxton, said Rocky.